Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have another video. This is the second video in my moving series. The last video was like, we're starting it off slow. It was a big clean out, so I got rid of all of the stuff that I didn't want to bring with me to the new place. Now we're 1 week away from the move and I'm starting packing. I just got a ton of boxes yesterday, which I think I got way too many boxes yesterday, but it's fine. I guess I'd rather have like more boxes than not, but we're gonna start packing today. So I'm gonna go around the apartment and kind of just try and put things away that we're not going to be using. I'm actually going out of town a couple days before our official move date, so I just want to try and get like most of that stuff done today, or at least over the weekend. So I'll show you guys what we're starting, but it does feel so weird to be moving in a week and like every single thing in my apartment is just like here. You know what I mean? Like I'm just like, it's such a weird feeling to be moving so soon, and like this being like the last time that I'm in this apartment. Like I've obviously been like wanting to move, but moving out of it's gonna be so weird. This is the longest place I've ever lived like on my own, like obviously not my home that I grew up in, but every place that I lived in college and after college I only lived in for at max a year. I never renewed in the same apartment twice. Like I would live there for a year, change apartments, like I would just like move. It's weird that I've been in this apartment for 2 years now. Like it feels crazy to think about, but it's time to go and I'm so excited. It's gonna be crazy to live in a new place. Oh my god. I actually am able to get the keys early, and so that we can go over there, and I want to like measure a bunch of stuff, measure where I feel like the couch will go. I need to pick out like rugs and different furniture, but I haven't been able to do that because I just don't know the measurements of everything. So we're actually getting the keys early and I'm gonna be able to go over there on Saturday and just like walk around and like feel the vibes, you know what I mean? I'm also filming an empty house tour, so that's gonna be up, so I'll show you guys a full empty house tour first, just because I love those and I love to like have that documented of like what it looked like before and where we can put things and stuff like that. So I'm gonna upload that for you guys. But anyway, it's time to get packing. This is why I have to go.
Attention, attention, an emergency has been reported in this building.
Just so you know, that happens all the time. There is never an emergency. It's always a false alarm. This happened a couple weeks ago for probably, I would say over 10 minutes. It was in the middle, it was like in the middle of the night, okay? And everyone who was on our floor, the whole building was so upset because they're like, we have children and these alarms are going off and you're waking our kids up, you're causing like severe anxiety for us. I felt so bad, but it really was, it is like anxiety inducing. I'm like, I can't. I don't know how the false alarm goes off so much in this building. I've never lived in a building where it goes off more. It's like insane. I'm like, this building could be on fire and I just won't believe it because it goes off a couple times a month. I got the largest boxes ever on accident. But you know what? It's fine. Okay, first box is done. Don't ask me why I have 27 boxes of tampons. I don't want to talk about it. But I have all of the stuff in here. I know there's room in this box, but I have packed boxes that are just way too heavy before, so I'm trying to not overfill it. I'm just gonna put everything from the bathroom in here. So I have everything from the bathroom in this one, and then the only things I've left out, this is like Brandon's shaving stuff and like my contacts. Those are the only things I need from here. And then I have these 2 bags, which are all PR. This is just a lot of PR, and they're so heavy, so I'm probably just gonna put these in my car and bring them over because they're in little bags. I don't need anything. And that's pretty much it. I've got 2 really large boxes done. The guest bathroom is pretty much done. This whole shower is empty, and then I have something, so this is like a big ring light, and then I have like my Swiffer here because I'm gonna keep those things out in order to clean. The ring light and things that are more breakable that I can't like stack down, I'm just gonna put in my car and like have them take them. But I'm feeling really great because I've got 2 boxes here and they're completely done. These are huge boxes. I know I keep saying that, but I'm like, they're massive. Next up, I have this little section. This is in our hallway. I never knew what to do with this. Like, this is another rack, but it had no cover in front of it, so we never hung anything here, which Actually would have been nice to like have more hanging room, but whatever. We've got a stereo here, and then this is a record player, like box. We've got a record player, a bunch of like little knickknacks. So this is all gonna go in a box right now. It's gonna feel so good to have this like cleared up, obviously except for this thing because it's furniture, but all of the other stuff is ready to go. Lots of boxes. So I have the media console, a little bit of living room. This is all cleared off now. Those things have to go in like a separate box. And then this whole area, obviously cleared. I just have this one thing because Brandon said it's really like breakable, it's fragile. So I'm waiting on that. And then in here, like I showed you guys, we've got these boxes. I have the necessities that I'm keeping out until I have to move, which is my self-tanner because I was gonna self-tan on Saturday. So I have my self-tanner and tampons, obviously. I do think we've made great progress, even though it looks a disaster. I also found these bins. I have these bins that I'm packing up, and then I'm about to work on the desk. I was just going through a bunch of cords, and then like all of those, maybe some stuff from the drawers, I don't know, and then like the side stuff, like we've got like little knickknacks that have to go. These don't typically go here, just so you guys know. Like, I'm not giving you an apartment tour of this apartment, but when you're looking at it right now, this is not necessarily what it always looked like. Like, it was neater than this. I just like have stuff shoved everywhere now because I just like haven't cared to put anything anyway. Like, I just like throw stuff around now because I'm like, whatever, we're moving. I have to take these down. So I think I'm gonna take these two frames down, which these are from Juniper Prints. They're so cute. I think when I go to the new place, I wanna get a different frame, or I'm probably gonna like spray paint this frame because I don't love the gold as much anymore with this. I feel like it'd be cute if it was just like a matte black or something. But anyway, I'm gonna put these frames. I'm about to make it in this box, and then I'm gonna put all these knickknacks, books, like randomness into one box, and then that's gonna be it. Once I do that, I'll feel accomplished because when the movers get here, I'm working with Roadway, so when they get here on actual moving day, they're gonna be bringing wardrobe boxes, which is so nice. So they're gonna bring oh my god, I keep sneezing because there's so much dust in this place. Anyway, they're gonna bring wardrobe boxes. So when they do that, I'm gonna be able to just put all of my clothes on the hangers in there. So I'm not too worried about like my like bedroom and stuff like that. Like, that's gonna be the very, very last thing that we pack up. So I'm not too worried about it. Everything else though can go. Like this, all of these books like on this desk, I think I'm gonna pack all my books up and just like random stuff that's sitting out. I'm like, I don't need to look at this. This just needs to go in a box and get out of my face. So that's what it's gonna do. It's also 3:30, which if you know, you know. 3:30, 3 to 5 is when women get the most tired. I think that's like a fact. Like at like 3 o'clock, like every girl is like, oh my god, I'm not well. I've always wondered that my whole life because at this point in the day is when I'm exhausted. So I made a coffee, a little iced coffee. That's gonna wake me up a little bit, get me rejuvenated to continue packing, and that's it.
We haven't even been here and moved in yet, and she's already got a package.
I already have mail here, but this is our first time using our keys. Yeah, maybe there it is. It's so weird to look out here and it be like
the ground.
The ground. Oh, I didn't realize they have this thing.
What
little
thing?
towel. It's like a hand towel thing on the side. That's
Wow.
nice.
It is really nice.
That's nice. Okay, you know what? Get a life. Take a nap. All right, Gracie girl's here. Let's go get Grace. Hi guys, we're at the new house and we're not moving in yet, obviously, but we're doing some measurements today because it's so echoey in here with like nothing in it, but we're doing some measurements today because we came over to film an empty house tour, and then I wanted to measure like couch, rug, like a couple things that I just wanted to figure out in here. So that's what we're doing right now. And it's kind of a struggle because I don't know how I really want to lay out the space, but I want to set you guys up while we talk through it. Okay, so if the TV's here, ideally, how would you even set up a couch in here? Well, could you put 2 here? Like 1 cushion, 2 cushion, 3? Would you do 3 and then this way?
Well, it makes sense if you did a sectional for it to be that.
Yeah, like for sure the longest part here. 164 across, which is huge, right?
Wait, where are we at? Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's even
So
so
it's
that
119.
164 would be this entire wall. Fine. I'm not mad at that. It's just that will only work if the TV's here.
Oh, yeah.
Because you can't even fit. You could fit 123 max on that side. All right, we stumbled upon an antique shop. Brandon wants to go. I am putting you on camera.
This ain't paid, and don't talk.
You're gonna invoice me?
Yes.
It's like they're all on. A lot of stuff is on sale in here, so we're gonna browse and see if there's anything cute that we could get for the new place. This little desk is interesting. Hi guys, it has been a minute since I last talked to you. Well, since I like last picked up packing. So I was packing a lot last week. Actually, I went out of town, and so I just got back earlier today. I was in Dallas yesterday, so now I'm back and I'm packing up my whole apartment because we move in 2 days. My apartment is like truly a disaster, but I just started on my room, so I figured I would like show you guys what it looks like right now. There's just so much stuff in this apartment, like I can't take it, you guys. But really, we only have today and tomorrow, and it's already 3 o'clock today. Just now, I just took like all this stuff off my dresser. Like I had like a bunch of jewelry and like a bunch of random stuff, and then I just put all my bags and everything in this big box. I am not doing my closet because Roadway is coming and they're bringing me wardrobe boxes, so I'm gonna hang all of these on wardrobe boxes, but I am gonna put all of my sweatshirts in like my suitcases. So all my suitcases are empty right now, and I'm gonna pack all of them with sweatshirts, t-shirts, sweatpants. I'm gonna get rid of all of this, and then the bathroom has to be done. No, like the way that we're moving and basically like a day and a half now, and everything is just like here is pretty jarring. But yeah, this is what the room looks like. I mean, I took like everything from this corner, if you guys remember. Out here is where it's really scary. There's all this stuff on the kitchen island because it's just a mess. We have a ton of boxes, so pretty much like everything like living room wise is like packed up except for like the couch. Obviously they have to take, you know, the side table and like the coffee table, but the book, candle, little things have to go. And then obviously the first thing I did was I packed up this guest bathroom. So like I left all of these boxes here. And so everything, it's slowly getting packed, but it is taking some time. So this is the progress that we have made. We will be making more. Brandon packed up like a bunch of dishes while I was gone, so he started to do like our plates. We still have to do like mugs, all of that stuff. So I need to start cleaning everything off. So I left from Dallas at 5 a.m., landed, and then I had so much stuff to do. I like have so much editing that I have to do, but I'm like, I can't edit. Like I can't like just sit here for 6 hours and edit a video when my home looks like this. Like it's too stressful. So here we are packing everything up. I'm gonna show you guys. I think I really want to start on doing the bathroom next, and then I'm going to pick out clothes for tonight, tomorrow, and then moving day. And then after I do that, I'm gonna start to put all my other clothes away. Like I just feel like I need to pack my clothes up because that's what's stressing me out the most. I have to empty all of my dressers and stuff. So like I have all of these, which like I haven't in the past emptied these, but it makes it so heavy for them to carry. So I'm gonna throw all of this like in boxes and stuff like that. I just need to figure out what I'm obviously not wearing and all of that. I have this thing that I found and I totally forgot that I had it, but I will link it. It's from Amazon and it's just like this little jewelry holder and you can put all your necklaces, any type of jewelry, and it hangs up. It's double-sided, so you can put like all your jewelry on the back. I think I got this. I don't know if I got it for moving, but it really, really helps when you're moving, or if you just like want to organize your jewelry like this, and then you can hang it up. If you're traveling somewhere and you're bringing like a lot of jewelry, I guess you could use it, but I think it's really just best for moving. But it's so good and it's so helpful. So I just took all my necklaces off and then I'm throwing them in here. This is all my workout clothes, so I put them all in this suitcase. God, I'm on like hour 6 of packing. The only thing getting me through is just Trish podcast. Like her podcasts are 3 hours long and it's just like talking nonsense, which I love. I just started a new box in the bathroom and now I'm working on all of the counter stuff. I was gonna like try and put away all this perfume, like so nice and neat, but I actually just like don't care. I'm about to take one of these bags, like these little tote bags, and just put all of the perfumes in there and then put a bunch of stuff in this box. Like I've got a bunch of clothes and like things like that. Like literally this is where I'm at in life, you guys. Like look at this. Done. Like I just don't I don't have it in me to make things like cute anymore. So this is where we're at. The bathroom is about to be cleared out. Okay, are you guys ready? I'll do a little transition for you guys. I'll make it fun. Okay, are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we are. Oh wow, that was so blown out. But look, it's cleared off. I mean, obviously I left like toothbrush, toothpaste, and hand soap just for now, and then I can like throw it in here. But this box is completely full, not the liners. I'm dead. And then these are like the little clean towels, all of the stuff in here. So this one's ready to go. Okay, I have these. I got these things from Clean Skin Club and they're on Amazon, and they're basically like face towels that you can use every night when you wash your face. And they sent them to me, or I got them, and they come in this like bamboo box that they sell on their website, but I don't love the way the bamboo box looks. So I ordered this acrylic one. I'm gonna link this for you guys. I can't speak. I'm so tired. Like all my words are just like slurring together. I'm going to link this for you guys so that you guys can get it because they're the best ever, but I'm transferring. This is all I have left. Look how cute. Wait, do these fit? Do these even fit in here? I feel like this box should be like a little bit wider. See? I feel like I should return this. Like that should be like a little wider. But like ideally you would just like, you know, open this up and grab one instead of this, because this just isn't a vibe. But I think I have to return it. What, baby? Yeah, it's so pretty, right? Brandon asking me if I've seen the sunset. Do you guys want to see it? It's so nice. This is our last nights in this apartment with this view, which is going to be super sad because we have loved like just being so high up and like seeing the full city and stuff. Like for our first years living in LA, like it's been so ideal. And now obviously we're living in a house, so we're not going to be like in a high rise where we can like see everything. It's just gorgeous. It's so nice and we love it up here, but it is time to go. Look how pretty.